So hello K1 Visa filers. Hello po, how are you? Now in this video, i-share ko lang po, I just want to share with you what are the documents that you need to bring with you when you arrive here in the US na magagamit po ninyo dito sa US. Ano ba yung mga kailangan na dalhin namin from there in the Philippines para pagdating no dito, hindi na kayo magka-problema and saan ba siya magagamit, ganito, ganyan. So yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, mag-subscribe ka na. Click the bell button to get notified on my upload and updates about K1 visa and adjustment of status. And please help me share this video and don't forget to give this video a like. So hello everybody. Hello po. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Jhai and Jerry. Hello po. Kumusta ang tanan? Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening po sa inyong lahat, no matter what time you see this video. Yes, hello everybody. So sino ba ang ready na to come to the US? Congratulations everybody sa mga na-approve na po. And also, good luck sa still processing pa lang po ng kanilang K1 visa. You'll get there someday. Hopefully, one of these days, kayo na din po ang lilipad papunta dito sa US to be with your loved one or your fiancé. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Jhai or Jade. I am originally from the Philippines, but I live now in Florida. I got here through a K1 fiancé visa, and right now I am a green card holder under 2 years conditional. 2 years conditional pa lang po ang meron tayo. So, I upload videos about K1 visa processes, especially from my experience as a DIY filer. You may visit my YouTube channel, go to playlist. Sa playlist po, may makikita kayong album title dyan na K1 Visa and AOS Tips and Guide album. Nandyan na po lahat ng mga videos na nagawa ko, mga updates about K1 visa and adjustment of status. Paki-scroll nyo na lang po. And please don't forget to like the video, to leave a comment, and share the video to anyone you know that is still processing K1 visa. So in this video, I'm just going to share with you ano ba yung mga kailangan na documents na need ninyong dalhin. Ano ba yung mga documents na need ninyong dalhin dito na magagamit ninyo for your adjustment of status, for if you're going to apply for work, if you're going to study here, ano ba yung mga documents na kailangan ninyong dalhin and gamit na gamit dito po sa US. So just a quick disclaimer, I am not affiliated with any government agency nor working with or as an immigration attorney. I am not a professional or legal expert. I'm only sharing based on my personal experience and my research as a DIY filer po of K1 visa. Do it yourself. It's just me and my husband who process my visa po dito sa US, dyan sa Pilipinas, and hanggang dumating ako dito sa US, nag-file kami ng adjustment of status. It's just me and my husband. So these are all based on my personal experience. I encourage everybody to always rely into the official website of the US visa. You read there, makakahanap kayo ng mga updates. Diyan nyo din makikita yung mga updates sa official website talaga nila. That's uscis.gov, ustraveldocs.gov, and of course, travel.state.gov. Those are the official websites of the US visas. Diyan po I always rely in their website. So number 1 na po dyan is your birth certificate. Original birth certificate, kahit isa lang po yung dalhin ninyo, okay lang yan. Kasi when you file for your adjustment of status, so as the work permit or the travel parole, they don't need the original copy of your birth certificate and any other documents that you will submit for your adjustment of status. Scanned copy or photocopy of your documents is okay na po. Not unless if they will ask you the original document. But from my experience, since I applied for adjustment of status I-485 work permit, I-765, I-131, the travel parole or advance parole, I did not send the original copy except for when I reported my marriage to the Philippines. They will ask for a photocopy and then the original copy of my birth certificate and the marriage certificate, but they will return the original to you. They will return it back to you so you don't have to worry. So, very crucial talaga is your birth certificate original. Bring that one kahit isang copy lang po kasi photocopy lang din naman yung needed mo. When you apply for work, some of them don't really ask for your birth certificate or they may but photocopy lang. Senomar is not for me, from my experience, hindi na talaga siya needed. It's not needed kasi hindi ko siya nagamit talaga. When I applied for my marriage license, they don't ask you for that. When you apply for your marriage license, you just show your ID, which is my passport, and then my husband's driver's license. So, yun lang po. But aside from that, wala. Even when I reported my marriage sa Philippines, they did not ask for my Senomar. And when I applied for adjustment of status work permit and again advance parole, I did not submit my Senomar because it's not really needed. You may or may not bring Senomar, it's okay. Ako nakapagdala ako kasi I thought yun na nga sabi, need daw ang Senomar. But then from my experience and up until now, hindi mo talaga magagamit yung Senomar mo. But then I went ahead and bring kasi meron din naman ako. Aside from that, the NBI clearance, dito hindi din siya magagamit. Pero dinala ko na lang din kasi din naman, walang gagamit ng NBI clearance ko sa Pilipinas. So I brought my NBI clearance with me but I was not able to use it into anything in anywhere. Now, if you have like mga TOR or bring with you your diplomas from school, college, high school, ganyan, dalhin nyo na lang po because you never know if you plan to work here in the US, they may or may not ask for your diploma. At least they will, in case they ask for it, to show that you graduated in this and that, you have something to show. I don't know if they really require it, but I would suggest that you bring that one. I do have mine just in case, if I feel like I want to work, then I have something ready on hand if in case they will ask it from me. So, yun lang naman. As far as I'm concerned, birth certificate talaga ang number one na kailangan ninyong dalhin. Bring the original. And also, yes, your diplomas, mga ganyan, mga certificate, if you've been through so many mga trainings, ganyan, if you plan to work here, bring those documents as well with you. Yes, for now, yun lang yung masasuggest ko na kailangan, very crucial, kailangan ninyong dalhin. Number one talaga is your birth certificate. If you have any additional documents sa mga nandito na rin sa US that they were able to use in somewhere, please leave a comment below para at least makatulong din po tayo sa iba. So thank you very much everybody. Don't forget to like this video, to share this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe as well. Maraming salamat po. You may visit my other videos. Baka makatulong po yung ibang videos ko sa inyo if you're still processing your visa or your adjustment of status po dito sa US. Good luck everybody. And once again, thank you very much po for watching. I hope to see you in my next video.